everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to add comma before every number of a string with Kutools for Excel. If you want to add a comma before every number of a string, Kutools for Excel's add text utility can do this favor. Select the cells of data, click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the text drop-down list and select add text. In the add text dialog, type comma into text box and check only add to option and select before numeric characters from the drop-down list. You can see the result in the preview pane. Click the OK button and now comma has been added before every number, as you can see here. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.